Number 1, an Indian ship. 2, laden with merchandise. 3, got drowned in the Pacific Ocean. Number 4, no error. Ano po yung inyong choice? Aling parte ang may mali? Pak na choice po is number 3. So tama po ang number 3. No? Meron pong mali sa number 3. Bakit? Kasi if you are using the word drown, no? When you say to drown, kapag ka sinabi mong to drown, di ba? To drown is to die through submersion in water. Kumbaga, ginagamit po yung drown, no? Drown, ang term na drown for people, para sa mga tao, di ba? Kasi namatay. Hindi naman po pwedeng mamatay yung isang barko, di ba? So, we use drowning or to drown whenever we are talking living, no? Living organisms or organisms. Kumbaga, living things, people, po pwedeng animals, no? So, to drown ay po pwede. But here, we are talking about a ship. And so, we could have used, no, the term sank. Po pwedeng sank, the past form of sink, no? So po pwede siyang an Indian ship laden with merchandise sank in the Pacific Ocean.